Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Zoho CRM mobile app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Zoho CRM, you can use our link in the description down below and you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here, you can actually go to the website themselves, the Zoho CRM website, and you know use the Zoho CRM normally on the website, but also they have a mobile application that you can download through Play Store or App Stores. So yeah, as you can see, Zoho also offers the CRM or customers relationship management to manage your employees or your your coworkers, etc., etc. So if you want to download it on Play Store, just go to Play Store and search for Zoho CRM, and you will see it right here. And just install it. And after you install it, as you can see right here, you can sign in with your Zoho account. And if you don't have any Zoho account, you can just sign up for an account. It's just easy to sign up. You can just use your Google account. But if you already have a Zoho account, so you can use that also. And what we'll do if if you sign in your already existing Zoho account, the data from your website itself or from your Zoho account will be just migrated to this application. So yeah, as you can see right here, it's the Zoho CRM starts migrating my CRM data from my Zoho accounts, and let's just wait until it's done. And right here, as you can see, successfully completed. And now, just click not now first. Don't register, and it's just for a notification. So yeah, click later again. And right here, as you can see, you will see four bars only or four tabs. It's the calendar where you can see all of your schedule, also homepage where you can see the analytics, something, the leads itself, all the leads that you have, and more. So right here you will see a bunch of other settings that you can find. So for the calendar, as you can see right here, you will see all of the meeting that you have made, tasks that you have made, calls that you have made from your Zoho accounts or Zoho CRM. So if we click on more, we will see a bunch of uh, more options that we can go into, but let's just first go to homepage. So as you can see right here on the homepage, you will see all of your analytics. So for example, today's open task, so you can see all of these all of that data. Same thing with my open task. And if you want, you can change the view. So if you want to see more analytics, so I will see more analytics when I change the view from classic to this. So as you can see, I have many analytics. For example, meetings, leads, calls today, details, etc., etc., untouched leads. Yeah, all of those analytics you will see right here. And for the leads, as you can see, all of the leads that you have made from your business, for example. So because yeah, you're using Zoho CRM for your business, so all of the leads that you have, made, you can add them right here so that you can manage them. So in order to do that, just click this plus button right here on the bottom part and click add lead. And right here you will be tempted to input their data, and it's up to you. You can add photo, their company, first name, last name. Yeah, it's up to you. And after you're done with that, just click this check right here on the top right corner, and that lead will be saved. And you can add as much as many leads as you want. Just click this button right here. And if you already have a lead listed, for example, from your contacts itself or from a third party apps, yeah, you can import them right here. So yeah, you just need to allow the access. For example, to your contacts, you can just allow the access in order to import all of the leads that you have on your mobile phone. So yeah, after the leads, you can go to more, and you will see more settings or more options or sections that you want to explore, and it's up to you. So for example, I'm going to choose contacts, and same thing with leads. You can add contacts by clicking this button right here, and click add contacts. So yeah, you can just input their for example, your employees or your workers contact data right here. So their first name, last name, account name, and their phone number. Yeah, you just need to input their respective data as many as you want. You can add many contacts as you want. Same thing, you can also import contacts from your mobile phone itself. And yeah, that's it. So after you're done, just click check. And after you're done adding contacts, yeah, you're good to go. And for the accounts, same thing. This the accounts is required for adding contacts. So firstly, you need to add your contacts accounts right here. You need to list all of them because you need to have them in order to add also them to your contacts. So yeah, add them first, their account name, phone number, etc., and their website. And after you're done with that, just click check again on the top right corner, and that account will be added or will be listed to your Zoho CRM, and now you can use them to add contacts. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the accounts. And if we click on more again, you will see more settings or more sections. For example, deals like that. You can add deals from your that you have on your business. You can add tasks, as I said. If you want to add tasks, just click again the plus button on the bottom right corner. Add the task details, and assign it to the person you want. So the task owner. So you can just choose the task owner. So that indicates the one who will be in charge to the task itself. So after adding the task owner, just add the subject. For example, the title of the task. For example, sample task. You can add a priority. So how important is the task itself. And you can also add the status. So you can change it to not started, deferred, in progress, completed, and waiting for input. It's up to you. And lastly, you can add a due date. And yeah, after you add all of the details right here, just click check again, and that task will be saved right here. And if you click on it, as you can see, you can check it to indicate if it's done or not, and you can uncheck it if you want. And as you can see, you can add notes, you can add tags. For example, you want to add tags. So for example, this is a task for for a certain group of your business. So you can add reminders, or for example, tag names that indicates that this is their task. And also the notes itself, and also attachment right here. So if you want to attach files, videos, etc., that related to the task, you can do so. And yeah, that's it. And if you click on details tabs, you will see the full details of the task itself. Yeah. And if you go to the calendar, as you can see, all of the change that you have made, all of the information or task meetings calls that you added will be listed right here on the calendar. And yeah, that's it. There will be reflected to the calendar. And if you click on more, you can see other options like calls, so etc., etc. Same thing again. You could just go to each sections, add the details to that sections, and you're good to go. You can manage them freely and easy, since the application is the user interface of this application, as you can see, is very intuitive, very easy to use. And yes, that's it. So overall, it's much easier to use than using the Zoho website itself. So same things, same function again, but this time it's much more easier, much more intuitive, since it's a mobile application. So this is the same thing, a CRM application. You can manage your customers, your employees, your workers right here. You can go invoices, create invoices, sales orders, you can analyze your leads, manage your workers, and manage your whole business using this application. So yeah, schedule like that. You can do it right here, and it's much better for me than using the website itself. So I recommend you to download this application right now, since it's much better. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can use Zoho CRM on your mobile phone. And there, that's how you use the Zoho CRM mobile application. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.